Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Coinbase Wallet. First, download the free Coinbase Wallet application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, you'll choose to create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your 12-word recovery phrase. Remember to set a strong password and enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for maximum protection. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now that your wallet is set up, let's add some funds. You can easily transfer cryptocurrency from a linked Coinbase exchange account. Alternatively, receive crypto from friends or other wallets by sharing your unique wallet address, which is a long string of characters. For direct purchases, the app allows you to buy various cryptocurrencies using a debit card or by connecting your bank account, making it very convenient. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. To send, simply tap the Send button, input the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount. For receiving, tap Receive to display your unique wallet address and QR code, which you can share. It's crucial to always double-check the recipient's address before confirming any transaction, as crypto transfers are irreversible. This helps prevent any accidental loss of funds. Coinbase Wallet is more than just a place for your crypto. It's a gateway to the decentralized web. You can explore and interact with countless decentralized applications, or dApps, directly through the integrated browser. It also allows you to manage and view your non-fungible tokens, or NFT, all in one place. Connect securely to various decentralized finance protocols and discover new opportunities within the crypto ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.